picking up our new build with this rebuilt truck, and here she is. Nothing. Oh shit! Damn, vegetative zone. Dang, dude. Right? The next build. Here it is. It's a 2009 997 Porsche 911 Turbo. Look at this beauty, man. These are Tech Art wheels. 20-inch wheels are pretty sick. This is the damage right here. Inside it's pretty nice. I hate when they throw the wheels inside. It's got the red seat belts. The doors open. This airbag deployed and the seat airbag deployed. Like I said, damage not too bad. Alright, we're gonna put some power to it, see if we can open the engine and see what we can do with it. This is my little brother David. Very excited, man. Hey guys, so whenever you get a car like a Porsche like this and there's no power to the car and you can't open anything, usually what you do is you open up the fuse box. There's a fuse box cover right here. You open this fuse box and there's this little red thing you pull out right here. It's not really a fuse, but it's this piece right here. You pull this out and you put power to here and you just ground it somewhere and it'll open the front trunk and then you can put power directly to the car. So let's do that real fast. Look at this carbon fiber steering wheel, guys. This is something you never see. This is some kind of special carbon fiber package. Anyways, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and see if the car starts up real quick, and then we're gonna see if we can put the top down. Okay, so negative cremo. Can you move it around? That's all we have to do, man. Wow. I bet you it'll close. You want to close it? Leave it down?
Yeah.
Alright, let's leave it down. Down. There's a little release button right here. If you look inside, it's a little black lever. All you have to really do is just push up on it and it goes down. Watch. And that's it. And push down on it. Oh, well, you gotta hold it the whole time though. That sucker just doesn't want to stay down there, huh? That one stay down there, but this one ain't trying to stay down there. Hold on. Hold on. So the spring is broken on this one for sure. Ah, man, this is a hard one. So it doesn't want to stay down there. Even this thing's probably not going to hold it. Yeah, so that release is broken. But that one went down pretty nicely, so as you can see, it does work. It's just you gotta fix the spring. So, alright. Okay though, but it runs good, fluids look good. Sounds healthy, so. Yeah, definitely a sweet buy. Like I said, this damage right here, the suspension doesn't look too bad. We'll take it to the shop and take it apart and see what's going on. And then the fender, like I said, a little kink in it, we can just replace the fender. So, yep, HID lights, man, it looks good. Everything works, I like it. So, oh yeah, the most damage is just right here. Like I said, not a bad fix at all. And we got one of the roll cages to go down. You gotta see what's up with the spring on the other one, that's it. Oh, 325, dude. 325. Dang, that was like, why is it so wide? Alright y'all, thanks for watching. This is it for this one. We're going to do a quick tear on the next video and an assessment of what we need to do for it. More than likely, we are just going to go ahead and send the wheels off to get powder coated because they have too much damage on them. The plan is to get this thing done for summer. Thankfully, Carolina summers are really long, so we should have plenty of time to get it done. Either way, guys, I was going to tell you is follow me on Instagram. I'll put my link down below. I always post on there daily, and a lot of my new builds that we make it to YouTube, they're on there. So be sure to follow me on there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.